Athletes grow without burnout. My 3-day work formula. I only work 3 focus days weekly on my affiliate business. Here is my system. I'm Kushade here, helping you earn smarter, live freer. On day one, I concentrate on content creation. And this one has 3 stages. Stage number one is planning with clarity. I use ChatGPT, that is AI tool, to brainstorm 5 to 10 content idea that matches my offer. Then organize them into short tips, mini story, or testimonials. So I'm never stuck wondering what to post. The second stage is to batch create. That is, I use my smartphone, Canva or CapCut to record and design. I design multiple posts in one sitting. So I'm not working harder, but I'm working smarter. I record once, repurpose everywhere, that is on YouTube, Shorts, on Facebook and Instagram Reels, on TikToks. Then the third stage is I automate and schedule. I let tools like System.io post for me while I focus on other parts of my business. That's how I stay visible without being online 24/7. So consistency doesn't mean chaos. With the clarity of plan, the batch creating, and automating and scheduling system of content creation, messages keep spreading even when resting, because growth without burnout is real. On the second day, day two, I focus on system maintenance. I check my emails once in a week to ensure, number one, that my automation flow, my link are still working. Then subject lines are performing. Adding short story, all can double open rates. I update my offers monthly. Sometimes program changes links, payouts, or policies. So I make sure my affiliate links, landing pages, and call to actions are still relevant. Nothing hurts more than losing a sale because of an expired links. Then I review my metrics. I visit my dashboard on system.io, seller.com, even Google Analytics to track clicks, conversions, and opt-ins. I don't just watch numbers, but understanding pattern is key. That's how to spot what's working and scaling it. Maintenance isn't boring, it's what keeps the system profitable. Growth isn't about doing more, it's about managing better. On day number three, I concentrate on traffic and growth, that is, ads and analytics. The real engine behind affiliate income is traffic and growth, because no matter how great a product funnel is, if no one sees it, nothing moves. So I use the third day to attend to ads and analytics. I use paid ads on Facebook, stroke Instagrams, or Google Ads, using short videos or image creatives that speaks directly to my target audience page. Then my analytics dashboard is my control tower. It tells me, one, which video drives clicks, two, which page converts best, and three, where to double down. I don't fear the numbers, I follow them. If something works, I scale, simplify to multiply. Join my AI income system and setup today. Subscribe to this channel, click the link below for my updates and day-to-day guide. See you in the next video. Thank you.